Hey, Trip Kramer here from tripadvice.com. Now, if you don't know already, women like a man who is in control and who can take control. That is because that is a masculine quality that a feminine woman is attracted to. And I know this is going to sound crazy and maybe a little far-fetched, but there is an actual word that you should be using in your vocabulary that is able to portray this dominance and this masculinity. The word that you're going to use is let's, L-E-T''S, and you're going to use this word when you're suggesting to her what you guys should be doing or what you guys should do. So let me give you some examples. Let's hang out this weekend. Let's go check out this movie. Let's go to this place for a drink. Let's go over here right now. Let's go over to the bar. Let's leave this place and get some food. Let's do this, let's do that. L-E-T''S. Not only do I want you to say this word, but I also want you to text it whenever you're texting her a suggestion of what to do. This is very powerful, and a lot of guys don't do this. A lot of guys are really in the mindset of making sure that the girl is really pleased in knowing that, she has a say in what to do. Now, listen, I'm all about offering a girl's opinion on what to do or where you guys should go, whatever it is. But in the beginning of the courtship process, and really throughout the relationship, you should be offering suggestions and taking the lead. That's what we're doing here. Now, of course, if she doesn't want to do something, she'll chime in. Just assume that she's interested in doing it. And if not, then she'll say something instead of trying to figure out beforehand if she's going to be interested in the thing that you guys are doing. Plus, if you say, let's do this, and you do it with excitement, it's going to get her excited. It's going to get anyone excited when you're offering a powerful suggestion that you're interested in. Now, I know, again, this seems kind of crazy. Like, really? Just doing this? Yes. You have no idea how many times I've heard women complain to me that a guy doesn't take the lead. And no, it's not because women are lazy or they want men to do all the work, but it's because that lead that the guy is taking is really portraying that masculine quality. And a lot of women like that. They like to know when a guy is in charge, that he has things figured out. I know this is also going to seem pretty crazy that this little thing has so much power, but really it goes into primal reasons here, right? So the fact that you're suggesting something or you're saying, hey, this is what we're going to do and taking the lead, this is a masculine quality that shows that you have things together, that shows that you're not scared, that shows that you're fearless, instead of doing the opposite, asking her, well, what do you want to do? What would you like to do? What do you want? What do you want, right? That's people pleasing. That's pleasing her, and that's showing a weakness that you're not confident in your own suggestions in your own life. This is just the tip of the iceberg, okay? But I want you to be thinking on this level. Of course, this is just one example of something you could be doing using the word let's and suggesting things to really show your masculinity and show your personality, because this is what is going to turn her on. This is what I call dominance. Dominant men win this game. Dominant men are the ones that take control of their lives. They're the ones that make the decisions in their lives and make change. They have the effect. And that's what I want for you. I don't want you to be the person reacting all the time. I want you to be the person suggesting, taking the lead, taking charge, doing things, and making decisions. This is what is going to make you more of a man. A little old school, I know, but it works. Now, let's talk about dominance again for a second. Dominance is really, really important when you're trying to attract women. It's an ultra masculine trait that women love. And I go really deep into dominance and explain how to obtain this quality, how to make it part of you, part of your personality, in my program called Hooked. If you haven't checked that out, I want you to go to getherhooked.com. I'm going to put a link in the description below so you don't have to memorize it, but it's pretty easy, getherhooked.com. This is my program where I teach guys how to turn into that more masculine and dominant version of themselves, and also give them the step-by-step process on how to meet and attract women wherever you are in your town. So if you're having trouble with this and you want to learn more about dominance, you want to learn about how to make this part of you so you can start going up and talking to the women that you find attractive, then check it out at getherhooked.com. Okay? Again, that's in the description below. I want you to be part of that, and also what's really cool is when you join that, you're going to be in a private Facebook group called Trips Corner, and you're going to be with me and 1,000 other guys. We're in there every single day talking about how to get better with women, and I want to see you in there. So check it out, getherhooked.com. Hope this works for you. Remember, let's start using that, and let's see what happens. See you in the next video.